kids! Today we are going to practice reading CVC words and do a little bit of writing. So, are you ready? Let's go! I'm going to read and you follow after me, alright? Cat, cat. Your turn. Alright, now let's do tracing. So let's follow the dotted lines as we write the word cat. When we trace the following dots, let's follow the arrows, okay? Let's start from letter C. A, T, cat. That's great. Next word, dog, dog. Your turn. Let's write the word dog by tracing the dotted lines. As we write the word dog, let's follow the arrows. Let's begin from the letter D, followed by the letter O, and letter G. That's great. Let's go to the next word, rat, rat. Your turn. All right, let's do the tracing again. Let's follow the arrows and let's begin from letter R. R, A, T. All right. Next word, mat, mat. Your turn. Okay. Let's do the tracing again. As I said, let's follow the arrows. Let's begin from letter M, letter A, and letter T. All right. Next, man, man. Your turn. Okay. Let's trace the word man as we follow the arrows. Letter M, letter A, and letter N. All right. Next word, can, can. Your turn. Very good. Let's trace the word can. We will follow the arrows. Letter C, letter A, letter N, and you are right. Wonderful. Pan, pan. Your turn. Very good. Now it's tracing time. Let's begin from the letter P. P, A, and letter N. Pan. That's great. Sun, sun. Your turn. Very good. It's tracing time again. Let's begin from the letter S. Letter S. Now let's go to letter U. And letter N. Very good. Next, run. Run. Your turn. All right, now it's time to trace the word run. As we do, let's follow the arrows. Let's start from the letter R, followed by U, and letter N. Run. Let's go to the next word, hen. Hen. Your turn. All right. Let's trace the word hen and let's begin from the letter H, following the arrow, as we always do. Letter H, letter E, letter N. Next, the word is hop. Hop. Your turn. Very good. Let's do the writing by tracing the word hop. And let's follow the arrows. Let's start from H, O, and P. Hop. Very good, everyone. You made it.